ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतभिसीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजनीवती दीनामवित्रयवतो गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवाहितं यधायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमन्यव उतोत इषवे नमः नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुत ते नमः यात इषु शिवतमा शिवं बभूव ते धनुः शिवा शरव्या यातवतया नो रुद्रमडया या ते रुद्र शिवा तनूरघोरा पापकाशिनी तया नस्तनुवाशन्तमया गिरिशन्ताभिजाकशीः यामिषुं गिरिशन्तहस्ते बिभर्षस्तवे शिवां गिरित्रतां कुरु माहि गुंसेः पुरुषं जगत शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशाचावधामसि यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगत यक्ष्मगं सुमना असत अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो देव्योऽभिषक अहिगश्च सर्वान् जम्भयन्त् सर्वाश्च यातु धान्यः असो यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः सुमङ्गलः ये चेमागुं रुद्र अभितो दिक्षु श्रिता सहस्रशो वैशागुं हेरयीमहे असो यो वसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतेनं गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उतेनं विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयतिनः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीरुषे अथो ये अस्य सत्त्वानोऽहं तेभ्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्च धन्वनस्त्वमुभयोरात्मीयोर्जाम् याश्च ते हस्त इषवः पराता भगवो वपा अवतत्यदनुस्त्वगं सहस्राक्षशुधे शुधे निशीर्य शल्यानां मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव विज्जं धनुः कपर्दिनोऽभिशल्यो बाणवागम् उत अनेशन्नस्येष आभुरस्य निशङ्गतिः या ते हे धर्मे दुष्टमहस्ते बभूव ते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतस्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुज नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्यां तव धन्वने परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् वृणक्तो विश्वतः अतो य इषुदिस्तवारे अस्मन्निदेहितम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः नमो हिरण्यबाहवे सेनान्ये दिशां च पतये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनां पतये नमो नमः सस्पिञ्जराय त्विषीमते पथीनां पतये नमो नमो बभ्लुषाय विद्याधीनेनां पतये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीतिने पुष्टानां पतये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्ये जगत्तां पतये नमो नमो रुद्राय तताविने क्षेत्राणां पतये नमो नमः सूताय हन्त्याय वनानां पतये नमो नमो रोहिताय स्तपतये वृक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो मन्त्रणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणां पतये नमो नमो भुवन्तये वारिवस्कृतायौषधीनां पतये नमो नमः उच्चैर्घोषाय क्रन्दयते पत्तीनां पतये नमो नमः कृत्स्नवीताय धावते सत्त्वनां पतये नमः नमः सहमानाय नव्यादिन आव्यादिनीनां पतये नमो नमः ककुभाय निषङ्गिणे स्तेनानां पतये नमो नमो निषङ्गिन इषुधिमते तस्कराणां पतये नमो नमो वञ्जते परिवञ्जते स्थायूनां पतये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचरायारण्यानां पतये नमो नमः श्रिकाविभ्यो जिगागं सत्भ्यो मुष्णतां पतये नमो नमो सिमद्भ्यो नक्तं चरभ्यः प्रकृन्तानां पतये नमो नमः ऊष्णीषिने गिरिचराय कुलुञ्चानां पतये नमो नमः इषुमद्भ्यो धन्वादिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आतन्वानेभ्यः प्रतितधानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आयश्चद्भ्यो विसृजद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमो स्यद्भ्यो विद्यद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः आसीनेभ्यश्च यानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्वपद्भ्यो जाग्रद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्तिष्ठद्भ्यो धावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्यो अश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमः आव्याधिनीभ्यो विविद्यन्तिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः उगणाभ्यस्त्रिगंहतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रातेभ्यो व्रातपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो महत्भ्यः क्षुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रतिभ्यो रतेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रथेभ्यो रत्तपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनानिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्तर्भ्यः सङ्ग्रहीतर्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः स्तक्षभ्यो रथकारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः इषुकृभ्यो धन्वकृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयुभ्यः श्वनीभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः श्वभ्यः श्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शरवाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिकण्ठाय च नमः कपर्दिने च व्युप्तकेशाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतधन्वने च नमो गिरिशाय च शिपिविष्टाय च नमो नीरुष्टमाय च सुमते च नमो रसवाय च वामनाय च नमो प्रहते च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च संवृध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवे च जिराय च नमः शीघ्रियाय च शेव्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय च वस्वन्याय च नमः श्रोतस्याय च द्वेत्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय च परजाय च नमो मध्यमाय च पगर्भाय च नमो जघन्याय च भूत्नीयाय च नमः सोऽव्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च खल्याय च नमः श्लोक्याय च वसान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्षाय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आशुषेणाय च शुरताय च नमः शूराय च वविन्दते च नमो वर्मिने च वरुतिने च नमो बिल्मिने च कवचिने च नमः श्रुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च हनन्याय च नमो धृष्णवे च प्रमृषाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिने चेषु धीमते च नमः तीक्ष्णीषवे च युधिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुधन्वने च नमः श्रुत्याय च पत्याय च नमः काट्याय च नेप्याय च नमः सूध्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाध्याय च वेशन्ताय च नमः कूप्याय च वत्याय च नमो वर्षाय च च नमो मेघ्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमः ईध्रियाय च तप्याय च नमो वात्याय च रेश्मियाय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुपाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमः ताम्राय च रुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नमः उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वदाय च दूरे वदाय च नमो हन्त्रे च हनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्ताराय नमः शम्भवे च मयो भवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च नमः स्थित्याय च खोल्याय च नमः पार्याय च भार्याय च नमः प्रतरणाय चोतरणाय च नमः आतर्याय च लाद्याय च नमः षष्प्याय च फेन्याय च नमः सिकट्याय च प्रवाह्याय च नमः इरण्याय च प्रपत्याय च नमः किगंशिलाय च क्षयनाय च नमः कपर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो कोष्ट्याय च कृत्याय च नमः स्तल्प्याय च गेग्याय च नमः कात्याय च गवरेष्टाय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेश्याय च नमः पागं सव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्क्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः उर्व्याय च सूर्म्याय च नमः पर्ण्याय च पर्णशत्याय च नमो पगुरमाणाय च भिघ्नते च नमः आखिदते च प्रखिदते च नमो वक्किरिकेभ्यो देवानागं हृदयेभ्यो नमो वीक्षिणकेभ्यो नमो वीक्षिन्वट्केभ्यो नमः आनिरहतेभ्यो नमः आमीवट्केभ्यः द्रापे अन्धसस्पते दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषां पुरुषाणाम् येषां पशूनां माभेर्मा रोमो येषां किञ्चन ममता या ते रुद्र शिवा तनो शिवा विश्वाह भेषजी शिवा रुद्रस्य भेषजी तया नो बृरजीवसे इमागुं रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वीराय प्रभरामहे मतिं यथा न शमशत्विपते चतुष्पते विश्वं पुष्टं ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरं मृडानो रुद्रोत नो मयस्कृति क्षयद्वीराय नमसा विधेमते यच्चं च योश्च मनुराय जे पिता तदश्यम तव रुद्र प्रणीतो मानो महान्तमुत्तमानो अर्भकं मान उक्षन्तमुत्तमान उक्षितं मानो वदी पितरं मोत मातरं प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीरिषः मानस्तोके तनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषु रीरिषः वीरान् मानुरुद्रभामितो वदिरहविष्मन्तो नमसा विधेमते आरात्य गोग्न उत पूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुं नमस्मे ते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अधि च देवा ब्रूयदा च न शर्मा यच्चत् द्विबरः ष्टुहि श्रुतं गर्सदं युवानं मृगान्नभीममुपहत्नुमुग्रं मृडा चरित्रे रुद्रास्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निवपन्तु सेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतर्वृणक्तु परितेशस्य धुर्मतिरगायोः अवस्थिरा मघवत्पयस्तनुष्वमीध्वस्तोकाय तनयाय मृडया नीरुष्टमशिवतमा शिवो न सुमना भव परमे वृक्ष आयुधन्निधाय कृतं वसान आचर पिनाकं बिभ्रदागहि विकिरितविलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगं हेतयोऽन्यमस्मन्निव पन्तु ताः सहस्राणि सहस्रदा बाहुवो स्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीनामुकाकृति सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्यां तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि अस्मिन् महन्त्यन्नवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवा अधि नीलग्रीवाशितिकण्ठाः शर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवाशितिकण्ठादिवगुं रुद्र उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु सस्पिञ्जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानाम् अधिपतयो विशिखास कपर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविद्यन्ति पात्रेषु पिपतो जनानां ये पथां पतिरक्षय एलभृदायव्युधः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति श्रिकावन्तो निषङ्गिनः य एतवन्तश्च भूयागंसश्च दिशो रुद्रावितस्थिरे तेषागं सहस्रयोजने वधन्वानि तन्मसि नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्याम्येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नं वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीदश दक्षिणादश प्रतीचीदशोदीचीदशो द्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु ते यं द्विष्वयश्च नो द्वेष्टितं वोजम्भे दधामि त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्नो यो अप्सु य ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवना विवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु ये ते सहस्रमयुतं पाशा मृत्यो मर्त्यया हन्तवे तान् यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवायजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानां ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो मा विशान्तकः तेनान्येनान्त्यायस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे पाहि तमुष्टुहि अस्विषु सुदन्वायो विश्वक्षयति भेषजस्य यक्ष्वा महेशो मनसाय रुद्रं नमो भीदेवमसुरं दुवस्य अयमे हस्तो भगवान् अयमे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विश्वभेषजो यगं शिवाभिमर्षणः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः शं च मे मयश्च मे प्रियं च मे नुकामश्च मे कामश्च मे सोमनशश्च मे भद्रं च मे श्रेयश्च मे वशश्च मे यशश्च मे भगश्च मे द्रविणं च मे यन्ता च मे दर्ता च मे क्षेमश्च मे धृतिश्च मे विश्वं च मे महश्च मे संविच्च मे ज्ञात्रं च मे सुश्च मे प्रसुश्च मे शिरं च मे लयश्च मरुत्तं च मे अमृतं च मे यक्ष्मं च मे नामयच्च मे जीवातुश्च मे दीर्घायुत्वं च मे नमित्रं च मे भयं च मे सुगं च मे शयनं च मे सुषा च मे सुदिनं च मे स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका सिद्धिविदाता शिवतनया सिद्धिविदाता शिवतनया बुद्धिप्रदायक गजानना बुद्धिप्रदायक गजानना पार्वती नन्दन भवभयभञ्जन पार्वती नन्दन भवभयभञ्जन युग युग वन्दित जय श्री गणेशा युग युग वन्दित जय श्री गणेशा युगायुगवन्दित जय श्री गणेश युगायुगवन्दित जय श्री गणेश गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना विनायका
गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे गोपी गोपबाला
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 गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे मुरली गान लोला
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 गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे राधा रमण 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 लोला
गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे नंद गोप भाला
गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे नंद गोप बाला
गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे नंद गोप भाला
गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे नंद गोप बाला
गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे गोपी गोप भाला
गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे गोपी गोप बाला
हरे गोपाल हरे हे मुरली गान लोला
गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे मुरली गान लोला
गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे राधा रमण लोला
गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे राधा रमण लोला
गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे नंद गोप बाला
गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे नंद गोप बाला
गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे नंद गोप बाला
गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे नंद गोप बाला गोविंद हरे गोपाल हरे हे गोपी गोप बाला
जय साई राम 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 बोलो जय साई राम जय जय 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 राम अनाथ रक्षक साई राम अनाथ रक्षक साई राम अनाथ रक्षक साई राम अनाथ रक्षक साई राम आपार मानव साई राम आपार मानव साई राम आपार मानव साई राम आपार मानव साई राम प्रेम स्वरूप साई राम प्रेम स्वरूप साई राम प्रेम स्वरूप साई राम प्रेम स्वरूप साई राम प्रेम अवतारा साई राम प्रेम अवतारा साई राम पुनः अवतारा साई राम पुनः अवतारा साई राम जय साई राम जय साई राम जय साई राम जय साई राम बोलो जय साई राम जय जय राम बोलो जय साई राम जय जय राम बोलो जय साई राम जय जय राम अनाथ रक्षक साई राम अनाथ रक्षक साई राम आपार मानव साई राम आपार मानव साई राम प्रेम स्वरूप साई राम प्रेम स्वरूप साई राम प्रेम अवतारा साई राम प्रेम अवतारा साई राम पुनः अवतारा साई राम पुनः अवतारा साई राम जय साई राम जय साई राम
अल्लाहु अकबर अल्लाहु अकबर अल्लाहु अकबर
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
अल्लाहु अकबर अल्लाहु अकबर अल्लाहु अकबर
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
यीशु पिता प्रभु अल्लाहु अकबर श्री साई पति साई तुम हो
Krishna Pita Prabhu Allahu Akbar, Shri Sai Bali Sai Tumhar.
यीशु पिता प्रभु अल्लाहु अकबर श्री साई पति साई तुम हो
Krishna Pita Prabhu
नानक भी तुम हो, गुरु नानक भी तुम हो, जोराष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो, जोराष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो, यीशु पिता प्रभु तुम हो, यीशु पिता प्रभु तुम हो, अल्लाह अकबर तुम हो, साई अल्लाह अकबर तुम हो, अल्लाह अकबर अल्लाह अकबर अल्लाह अकबर, यीशु पिता प्रभु अल्लाह अकबर, शिरडी साई पति साई तुम हो, गुरु नानक भी तुम हो, जोराष्ट्र महावीर तुम हो, यीशु पिता प्रभु तुम हो, अल्लाह अकबर तुम हो, साई अल्लाह अकबर तुम हो, अल्लाह अकबर अल्लाह अकबर अल्लाह अकबर।
श्याम सुंदर मदन मोहन, 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 मोर मकुटधारी, मोर मकुटधारी, मोर मकुटधारी, मोर मकुटधारी, माधव हरि माधव हरि माधव गिरिधारी, 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 श्याम सुंदर मदन मोहन, श्याम सुंदर मदन मोहन, मोर मकुटधारी, मोर मकुटधारी, मोर मकुटधारी, मोर मकुटधारी, माधव हरि माधव हरि माधव गिरिधारी, 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 माधव ओ माधव हरि माधव गिरिधारी, माधव ओ माधव हरि माधव गिरिधारी, श्याम सुंदर मदन मोहन, श्याम सुंदर मदन मोहन, श्याम सुंदर मदन मोहन, श्याम सुंदर मदन मोहन, मोर मकुटधारी, मोर मकुटधारी, मोर मकुटधारी, मोर मकुटधारी, माधव हरि माधव हरि माधव गिरिधारी, 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 श्याम सुंदर मदन मोहन, श्याम सुंदर मदन मोहन, श्याम सुंदर मदन मोहन, श्याम सुंदर मदन मोहन, मोर मकुटधारी, मोर मकुटधारी, मोर मकुटधारी, मोर मकुटधारी, माधव हरि माधव हरि माधव गिरि मदन मोहन श्याम सुंदर मदन मोहन मोर मकुटधारी माधव हरि माधव हरि माधव गिरिधारी माधव हरि माधव हरि माधव गिरिधारी।
ॐ तत्सत् श्री नारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तु सिद्ध बुद्ध तु स्कंद विनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्ममज तु यहोव शक्ति तु येषु पिता प्रभु तु रुद्र विष्णु तु राम कृष्ण तु रहीमताओ तु रहीमताओ तु वासुदेव गो विश्वरूप तु चिदानंद हरि तु अद्वितीय तु अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु। असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया। शांति शांति शांति।
I offer my humble pranams at the lotus feet of our Divine Lord, Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba, and loving Sai Rams, respected elders, brothers and sisters. A very warm welcome to this morning's regional program. We are still in this grip of this pandemic, and we all know that the food that we consume is a major contributor to the diseases that affects us. But Swami also tells us that our bad qualities also contributes to the diseases. I will read an extract from Swami's Divine Discourse on Disease and Divinity, and I quote, "Apart from the exercise of such care in the food consumed, there should also be contemplation of the divine. Because people don't think of God, they are subjected to a lot of misery. Without divine thought, man is harboring two bad qualities. One is he hides many defects and evil qualities within him. The other is he magnifies even minor faults in others. Because of such evil qualities among human beings, diseases are also on the increase. Only when human effort is there, with God's grace, good results will be attained." This is the Divine Discourse on the 29th of January 1994 in Prashanti Nilayam. Dear Sai family, during this unprecedented time, let us all continue to intensify our sadhanas and ensure that we all adhere to the protocols of both the government and our organization, as discipline and adherence to the protocols will help prevent the spread of the virus. One of the sadhanas that we can intensify is the chanting of the 108 names of Bhagavan. Today, we have Sister Sundari from the Amslatuzana Sai Center who will share with us the gem closest to her heart.
My humble pranams at the lotus feet of my beloved Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba and Om Sai Ram. My name is Mrs. Sundari Patta and I am from Amslatuzana Sai Center, Chatsworth Region 2. My talk today is on the power of Namasmarana together with surrendering to Swami and Swami's divine omnipresent love with reference to point 65 of the 108 stotras, that is Om Sai Prema Muteye Namaha. When I first realized the divinity of the omnipresent Swami since March 1995, and when graced with his physical presence in 2000 and 2005, I had captured his love and placed it in a prison of my heart so that I constantly draw power from him while swimming in an ocean of love through total surrender and constant namasmarana. I like to say with this gift of love, as was said, that the path of spirituality, like the path of true love, is by no means smooth, and inasmuch as a faint heart never won a fair lady, a faint heart most definitely can never make progress along the challenging road of spirituality to win the grace of God. As I had recognized the face of this divinity of love that Bhagwan represents, I thought that my trials and tribulations would certainly be over. I realized then that it will still follow us in God's work. Firstly, I had to accept and confront all my adversities with self-confidence. In the Bhagavad Gita, it is said that the sign of a devotee is given as fearlessness. Having fearlessness together with an ocean of love and compassion of Swami through daily namasmarana, total surrender, and constant integrated awareness had helped me brave my illnesses since January 2001 to this very day. I will now like to share the omnipresent Swami's divine presence in my life. In January 2001, I became very ill with chronic pneumonia, which led to dyspnea and acute laryngitis. Strong cortisons and repeated antibiotics with hospitalization did not seem to help. Having a problem to breathe and losing my voice repeatedly was something I could not handle at that time. I constantly prayed to Swami by chanting the Gayatri Mantra and Om Sai Ram 108 times daily to handle this hiccup in my life, and I knew he was guiding me, and my faith and love for him remained steadfast. I put my illness down to past karmas and did not question or blame him, and was prepared for whatever trials Swami will put me through. With Swami's grace, I had an open lung surgical biopsy, and fortunately for me, it proved negative for cancer. This is Swami's omnipresent divine love. I was then kept on the pump and nebulizer and in and out of hospital for lung infections to this very day. After the lung op 6 months later, I was told that my L4, L5 discs of my spine were damaged and that I needed a prosthesis laminectomy. So I wrote a letter to Swami and asked him if this was his will, then he must make it happen. I opted to have the prosthesis laminectomy with the full knowledge that Swami's divine presence was with me. After the op, confined to bed, heavily drugged with morphine, with the lingam photo on my chest, I would chant the Gayatri Mantra 108 times and prayed at the lotus feet of Swami. I continued the sadhana even when I returned home, and am still doing it. The chanting of the Gayatri Mantra 108 times once daily has helped me to find peace within myself, to adopt a positive attitude. Swami says if you want to win the grace of God, do sadhana at regular timings and connect yourself with God by the cable of smarana, that is, remembering the Lord. 6 weeks later, I was then told by the neuro and orthopedic surgeons that the prosthesis has moved with a nerve root depression and that I needed a dynamic reconstruction of my spine. If not, I won't be able to walk again. I wrote to Swami once again asking him if I should go for the next op. I then came to know it was not Swami's will, because when I went for my next checkup, the doctor told me he will not force me to do it. I opted to remain on using the crutches to help me with my movement. On 8 October 2003, with the ongoing voluntary help of Mrs. Sundari Naika, Swami's instrument of love in the form of reflexology helped me get off bed and gain my strength in my legs. I was then able to throw away my crutches and walk on my own. This embodiment of love is Swami's divine gift of love to me. Even when I had suffered an angina attack at Puttapati in 2005 and went in as a patient of the general and super specialty hospitals, it was my beloved Bhagwan's way of making it known to me as to what was the diagnosis of my chest pain problems, because it was the diagnosis of the cardiologist who diagnosed tumors on both breasts that when surgically removed proved to be benign. Swami is always there to protect me and show me the right path to follow with his love. I would now love to quip and say to you that this body of mine has been like a Ford car, which stands for fix or repair daily, for I feel like I have been through the panel beating workshop with all the major operations and surgical biopsies that I have been through. And now I have recently been diagnosed with glaucoma in the eye, a cyst in the liver, and since 2015 with muscular dystrophy. a debilitating, incurable muscular disease which will eventually make me wheelchair bound. I must be grateful that I am still able to walk with or without an aid. Thank you, Swami, for this gesture of love in always protecting me. I have fallen 15 odd times over the past 8 years, whilst walking and suddenly losing my balance involuntarily. I think I love to kiss Mother Earth. I have had myself injured and have so gained a thick file in the emergency unit of Interbeni Hospital. I think I am really supporting this hospital, and I'm sure I have shares in it by now. I must say that in the times that I have fallen, Swami has always taken the great impact of my falls, because I always come off with a sprained ankle or torn tissues and ligaments. It was only on 8 February 2020 that I had a terrible fall and broke my wrist bone. An emergency op was done and 1 metal plate and 7 screws was put on my wrist bone. At least now I can use my right hand again. This is none other than Swami's love and protection for me. I know that in accepting the challenge of my ill health would not have been overcome by myself without the divine presence of Swami's love in my life. And by doing and still practicing daily Namasmarana has helped me to purify my mind for accepting and dealing with my problems. Does not the lotus flower grow beautifully in muddy waters? So too we can rise above and overcome our difficulties by taking refuge and having steadfast faith in Swami's love. I have realized to hold on to his hand and never let go. My Bhagwan will always be with me and protect me just as the eyelids protects the eyes. Swami, I thank you for my Sai family whose unstinting, ongoing love and support I treasure deeply. Oh, thank you, my Sadguru. How lucky I am to be given the gift of your eternal love and protection. Even though I am still having chronic lung conditions and ending the debilitating disease of muscular dystrophy, I am able to brave every moment of my life with love and strength to give and receive with a smile. This is all because of Swami's love. With these gifts of love from Swami, I implore you all today that I have not set out to bore you with my ill health, but for you to experience and know this divine love of our dear Sadguru by totally surrendering to him like I did, for he alone has given me an ocean of love and compassion that is never ending, and I am eternally grateful to him. My dear brothers and sisters, surrender to Swami and say, I am yours, and live up to it with a strong faith, and only then you will become the recipient of his divine grace and energy. Swami will protect you at all times and under all circumstances. My dear Bhagwan brothers and sisters, I certainly am not a perfect devotee, but I certainly will not let go of Bhagwan's divine love, because his love confers on us eternal bliss that is sweeter than nectar. That is why we know, and it is said, there is no greater power than that of the divine love of Swami. Jai Sai Ram.
The Go Green infographic for today is Go Green Travel Tips. Don't bag it. You want memories of your holiday to last for years, but 500 years is way too long. Plastic bags can take up to 500 years to biodegrade, so take a reusable shopping bag with you when you go to local markets. Pack light. Every kilo counts when flying. The more a plane weighs, the more carbon emissions it produces. Pack only what you need. Be at home in a hotel. Avoid getting clean towels when not necessary, and something frequently forgotten is to turn off TV, lights and aircon when you leave the room. Ban baths and shower only. Stick to the path. When hiking, always stay on the marked trails and maintain a safe distance from any animals you encounter. Going off the beaten path could mean you trample on protected or endangered plants. Power in numbers. Smaller groups have a lower environmental impact, so travel with a small group tour operator that's environmentally responsible. Before you book, ask what size the group will be. The announcements are as follows. Under the ladies wing, ladies are to liaise with your Center Ladies Forum convener with regards to the sewing of walker frame pouches and tote bags. This is a regional ladies forum Seva initiative for November. These will be distributed to all the senior and frail residents at the ABH. Under the Balvikas, we encourage our children to continue the collection of braid clips and bottle caps even during the holidays. Children and parents are encouraged to join the national and regional online programs in November leading up to Swami's birthday. Under the Seva and Youth Wing, devotees are encouraged to join the Sai Food Kitchen on Saturdays for the cleaning of the vegetables and on Sundays for the preparation of the meals. A reminder that on the 15th of November, from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., is our first regional blood camp after level 5 lockdown. So please, devotees, let's encourage all those that are eligible to come and donate a pint of blood. There have been 2 WhatsApp pamphlets that have been sent. One is for circulation to all Sai devotees, and the other is for circulation for the general public. So devotees, please circulate to all those in your contact list. All devotees are encouraged to continue with the eco bricks, the herb and veg planting, and also to support the regional SPCA drives. Under the devotional wing, a reminder that we will continue at 5:30 a.m. every Sundays with the morning prayers, at 7 a.m. with the Havan, and this week's Havan will be done by the Wither Sai Center. 7:30 a.m. is our regional devotional session, and 9:15 a.m. is the Veda classes. Also, a reminder that today we will chant 80 Gayatri Mantra at 9 p.m. This is the build-up to the Swami's 95th birthday. Tonight at 6:30 p.m. is the online National Study Circle. All devotees are encouraged to attend. We will now view a video. Jai Sai Ram.
Dearest Swami, please accept my loving pranams at your lotus feet. Please bless me to say a few words in your presence and in these sacred precincts where I learnt a lot of things. Respected elders, senior leaders, esteemed guests, brothers and sisters of Sai family, Jai Sai Ram. It's wonderful to hear our Brazilian brothers and sisters sing here. I was in Brazil a few years ago on some work and went into one of the Sai centers in Sao Paulo and felt so happy to address Lord Ganesha as Senor Ganesha. I had never done that until then in my life, and I felt so happy. I felt the same happiness that I got when I chanted the Ganapati Adhava Shirsham. It's amazing that Swami provides us this opportunity to experience the joy of the divine in different languages, in different cultures, and in different lands. But for him, it wouldn't have been possible to expand our horizons to that extent. Swami says, where there is faith, there is love. Where there is love, there is peace. Where there is peace, there is God. And where there is God, there is bliss. So, in order to recognize love as the source, in order to practice and walk on the path of love, and in order to realize the goal of love, the bedrock, the foundation is unshakable, unwavering, steady, and strong faith. In my life, Swami bestowed that boon of faith, that gift of faith, through an incident when I was 4 years old. My brother was just then born. He was born a healthy baby, but within 4 months, he developed some skin condition that initially started with some abscesses here and there and quickly spread to involve his entire body full of abscesses, this little tiny 4-month or 5-month-old little kid. And these abscesses wouldn't get cured. We visited many doctors, showed him to many specialists in Hyderabad, where I used to live and my father used to work, and in Bombay, where he had worked before. And all the specialists had said, this is a incurable disease. You would have to treat him with steroids, but the caution and the risk is that he may succumb to infections because his immunity would be suppressed. And you can imagine the plight of any parent. My mother especially started going to different holy people asking for help. My father would go to different specialists looking for various alternative therapies. One day, a holy man came to our home, and my mother asked him, could you please do something with this child? What would happen to him? He said, your son will be cured on the 7th of April. My mother just felt very happy. She just believed in it. My dad, however, was of a scientific bent of mind, an educated man. And he said, God, who will cure him? He asked first. And this man said, God will cure him. And we were at that time worshipping Lord Venkateshwara, who is a famous deity in South India. And so my dad said, you mean Lord Venkateshwara, who lives about 400 kilometers away from where I am, would cure him? He said, yes, he would. Then he asked, this Lord Venkateshwara is in a stone form on 7 hills. You mean to say he'll wake up, walk down the 7 hills, walk the 400 kilometers, find my home, come and cure my son? And he said, yes, if that is what you think would happen, he will. My father thought, this man is just saying things to please us. He really didn't pay much attention to it. And he left. Days went by, months went by. Swami came to Hyderabad to inaugurate Shivam in 1974. And my parents were not Swami's devotees at the time. But my father had heard that Swami is a very good speaker. So he wanted to go and listen to his discourse. My mother wanted her son to be blessed by this holy man. They went for 10 days, nothing happened. In fact, everybody in the crowds would say, why are you bringing such a sick child? Because by that time, he was actually having abscesses and he was smelling. We would cover his hands, tie his hands in cloth so that he doesn't scratch, cover him up with a little piece of soft cloth and take him around. And on the 10th day, Swami came and waving his hands, he was leaving, came to the ladies' side, a few hundred yards from where my mother was sat, and waved and turned back. My mother could not hold herself any longer. And she shouted, Swami, Swami, Swami. And you know what happens. That's not the discipline. So Sevadil got into action. But Swami turned around, stopped, turned around. And there was no path. And said to the ladies there to make way, walked up to her, picked up my brother into his hands, and in his right ear, he whispered, Taggutadi, 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 which in Telugu means, it'll come down, it'll come down. He handed the baby back. My mother was very happy, over the moon, went and called my dad and said that, oh, Swami has blessed our child, he has cured our child. My dad asked, oh, did he produce a pendant? Because that's what Swami was known for. And then she said, no. Then, did he give vibhuti? No. Then what sort of a blessing is, what did he do? He said in his ear that it will come down. Oh, is that all? All right, you're happy? That's fine. That's where it ended. Every morning, there was a ritual of cleaning my brother, this little child. You would take a cup of glycerin and some wet cotton, lift up centimeter by centimeter, and every part of the wound you would just, because there would be a scab, you lift it up and then give him a bath. And that morning, we took this cup, we went there, we lifted the first centimeter, we lifted the second centimeter, we lifted the third centimeter. There was not a single wound, a single boil. It was as if somebody had taken off the old skin and put a new skin. The baby was resplendent, joyful, smiling, kicking. We haven't seen him like that for about 8 months or a year. There is nothing in science that will explain how so many abscesses could be cured in one night by whatever method. Then the penny dropped. He looked up. It was the 7th of April when it happened. It was the 7th of April 1974 that it happened. Then the entire dialogue came back to him. Who will cure him? God. Would Lord Venkateshwara wake up from this stone and walk down the 7 hills and come? He did. By that time, Swami was 49 years old and my dad probably 35. And he said, for the last 35 years, this Lord, this God that I have been worshipping has been actually walking the earth and I have not even recognized him. Thank you, Lord, for coming into our lives and giving us this gift of faith. That is where the journey of love started. The word of God is paramount. The Bible says, in the beginning was the word, and the word was God. I don't know about the beginning or the end, but whether it's the beginning, the middle, the end, or the beyond, Swami's word is paramount. Swami's word is mantra, which we heard yesterday Dr. Reddy tell us. Every word of his is an important mantra for all of us to follow. In 2009, I think, in the Purnachandra Auditorium, Swami granted all the alumni an audience, and he blessed us with a question and answer session. Lots of questions were being asked. And one of the questions was, Swami, how do we become your ideal devotee? How do we become an ideal student? Swami just took a profound pause and he said, Na agnya palinchu. Obey my command. That is enough. On his Avatar Declaration Day in 2001, Swami said, Manchi maata vinaru, manasichi cheppina, chedda maatalitle chevina chertru. I give out of my love and concern. I give an instruction for every one of you to follow, but you don't listen. You give credence to every other distraction that comes to your attention. Ittivaru Daivambu Nenugonga Nertrura Unnamata Telupuchunamata Unnamata Telupuchunamata. I am saying the truth that such people who do not pay attention to the good words that I have come to say, how can you ever learn the reality? How can you learn about divinity? My dear brothers and sisters, in our journey towards this goal of love, along the path of love, let us follow the Master because he is the source. Only then we will be able to face the devil and fight to the end, which is walking the path. And only then it will be possible for us to finish the game, which is the source, reaching the source and reaching our goal. It's very important for us in this journey to have faith and obey his commands. Every word that he says to us is of essential importance. Swami, we have seen and we have said, is love. But Swami is not just that. Swami is actually love in action. How many times we have seen him just sitting idly and doing nothing in his 85 years of his earthly sojourn, the time that he spent with us. Every moment he was working for the welfare of myself, yourself, and this entire humanity. It's now up to us. It's now up to us to not rest and to actually work and work.
sunshine from your eyes. Say his name, see his form, hold on.
ॐ जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपदान्धवा ॐ जय जगदीश हरे मातपिता गुरुदैवमु मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरि अन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथ नागेन्द्रशयन ॐ जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी हो साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल आरती अंधुको मंगल गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति 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 जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय विचित्रं लीला विभूतिम् परमार्थइष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानम् भावाविभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि परमं पवित्रं भावाविभूतिम् परमं विचित्रं लीलाविभूतिम् परमार्थइष्टार्थमोक्षप्रदानम् भावाविभूतिम् इदमाश्रयामि
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वप्रचोदयात्।